Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. This is Alka Maheshwari. In this session, we just see comparison between fractions and arrangement of fractions in ascending or descending order. In this session, friends, I'll be sharing some of the tips and tricks with you so you can do this sort of problems or the comparison of fractions and their arrangement very quickly and easily in your competitive exams. So let's begin our session. Let's take one problem. Suppose I'm having 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. Now friends, the very first step, if the fraction looks like smaller numbers are there, then you just see the difference between numerator and denominator. Here the difference between numerator and denominator is 1. Here also the difference between numerator and denominator is 1. So if the difference between numerator and denominator is same, in that case the fraction which is having higher numerator or higher denominator will be bigger. You just have to see whether the numerator is higher. In this case 2 is lesser than 5, that means 5 is greater than 2. So the fraction 5 by 6 will be greater than 2 by 3. Okay friends. Similarly, one more technique you can apply over here. It's 2 by 3, it's 5 by 6. You should do a cross multiplication. It's 2 into 6. We have to start from the numerator of left hand side's fractions, and here it is 5 into 3. So here I'm getting 12 and here I'm getting 15. Now since 15 is greater than 12, fraction 5 by 6 will be greater than 12. 15 is greater than 12, so 5 by 6 will be greater than 12. Now let's take one more example. I'm having 2 by 3 and 13 by 17. Now let's cross multiply. It's 2 into 17, it's 3 into 13. So it's 34, it's 39. Since 39 is greater than 34, 13 by 17 will be greater than 2 by 3. 13 by 17 is greater than 2 by 3. Alternatively, I can solve this problem. I'm writing 2 by 3 over here and 13 by 17 over here. Now the difference between numerator and denominator here is 1, and difference between numerator and denominator here it is 4. So I can make this difference also 4 if I multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. That means the 4 times 1. So what it will be? It will be 8 by 12. So 8 by 12 is equivalent to 2 by 3, and this is 13 by 17. Now the difference between numerator and denominator in this case and in this case it is same. So now we can make the direct comparison. So as we have already discussed, if the difference between numerator and denominator is same, the fraction which is having higher numerator will be higher. So 13 by 17 will be greater than 8 by 12. Okay friends, so we have shared 3 techniques over here. Let's apply the techniques to some more problems. Now I'm having a fraction 92 by 99 and 14 by 15. Let's make the comparison between these two. Between 92 and 99 there's a difference of 17. In this case the difference between numerator and denominator is 1. Okay, now I can make this difference to 7 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 7. So what I'll be getting? Here it is 92 by 99. In this case 14 into 7 I'll be getting 98, and 15 into 7 I'll be getting 105. Now in this case the difference is 7, in this case the difference is 7. So the fraction which is having higher numerator will be higher. So it is 98 is greater than 92. Hence 98 by 105 will be greater than 92 by 99. That means 14 by 15 is greater than 92 by 99. Isn't it so simple friends? Let's take one more problem. Now I'm having a fraction that is maybe 15 by 19, and other fraction is it's 9 by 11. In this case, the difference between numerator and denominator is 4, and in this case the difference is 2. So by multiplying this fraction by 2, I'll be getting the difference between numerator and denominator as 4. Now it is 9 2s are 18 and 11 2s are 22, and this is 15 by 19. Now in both the cases the difference between numerator and denominator is same. We can make the direct comparison since the numerator of this fraction is higher. So this fraction will be greater than 15 by 19. That means 9 by 11 is greater than 15 by 19. Okay friends. Now let's take this comparison, 18 by 25 and 3 by 4. I am going to apply the other technique over here, the cross multiplication technique. We can apply any one of them. It's 18 by 4, 18 into 4, and it is 25 into 3. So 18 into 4 is 72 and it is 75. So 75 is greater than 72, hence 3 by 4 will be greater than 18 by 25. So 3 by 4 will be greater than 18 by 25. Or you can make the comparison between numerator and denominator also. Here in this case it is 7 and here in this case it is 1 only. So if we try to make this difference as 7, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of 3 by 4 by 7. So what will be getting? 7 into 3, 21. Here it is 18 and here will be getting 21. So definitely 3 by 4 is greater than 18 by 25. Okay friends. Now let's take this problem. In this problem, we have to arrange the fraction in ascending order. Now friends, we have to find which is the biggest fraction. So we just see the difference between numerator and denominator in each case. In this case, we are getting it is 2. In this case, we are getting as 3. In this case, we are getting as 3. In this case, we are getting as 2. In this case, we are getting the difference as 1. And in this case also we are getting the difference as 1. So the difference between numerator and denominator in these two cases is 1, and in other cases it is more than 1. And since the numerator of this case is the highest, so definitely 6 by 7 will be the highest fraction. Similarly, 5 by 6 will be the next one. That is, it will be immediately immediately less than 5 by 6. Now we have to make the comparison between these 4. Okay friends. Now it is 3 by 5 will be greater than 2 by 5. It's obvious because the numerator of this is bigger and the denominator is same. Now just let's multiply the remainings. If it is 1 by 3 and 4 by 7. So it will be 7 and it will be 12. So 4 by 7 is greater than 1 by 3. So I write 4 by 7 here and 1 by 3 here. I just keep some space over there to fit the remaining numbers. So now suppose I make the comparison between 4 by 7 and 3 by 5. So it is 20 and it is 21. So 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. So I write 3 by 5 over here. Now between 2 by 5 and 4 by 7, it's 14 and it is 20. So 4 by 7 is greater than 2 by 5. So I write 2 by 5 over here. So I got the order as 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 4 by 7, 3 by 5, 5 by 6 and 6 by 7. We have done this problem, this comparison, this arrangement so quick, so fast. If at all you also practice, it will be done very faster. Friends, you can also make a cross check at the end. Let's see how we can do this. Let's start calculating from the rightmost side. It's 35, it's 36. So we are right at this place. It's 18 and it is 25. So again we are right. It's 20 and it's 21. It's 14 and it's 20. It's 5 and it's 6. So whatever we have written, whatever the order we have written over here, it's quite correct. Okay friends, let's take one more set of fractions. Now let's try this problem. It's here it is a difference between the numerator and denominator is 4. Here it is also 4. Here it is 7 and here it is 6. So let's see, 11 by 17 must be the highest. In between these two, 7 by 11 must be greater. Definitely, because the difference between numerator and denominator is same in both the cases. Now let's see by cross checking. 17 into 7, that is 119, and 11 into 11 will be 121. So definitely 11 by 17 will be greater. So the correct sequence is 11 by 17 and 7 by 11. And then we have to make the comparison between 5 by 9 and 8 by 15. So 15 into 5 is 75 and 9 into 8 is 72. So definitely 5 by 9 will be greater. Okay friends, so we have done it so quickly, so fast. Even you can cross check. It is 119, it is 121, it is 55, it is 63, it is 72 and it is 75. Okay friends, let's take one more set. Now let's take this set of fractions. It's 19 by 21 over here. The difference is 2. In this case the difference is 3. In this case the difference is 3. And the numerator is highest of this fraction. Okay. And the difference is also smaller than the other two. So definitely 19 by 21 will be the greatest. Now between these two, here the difference is 3, here the difference is 3. So the numerator of this fraction is higher. That's why 16 by 19 will be greater than 11 by 14. It's quite simple friends. Now let's try this problem. It's 8 by 9, 9 by 11. Let's see which one is bigger. 11 into 8, 88 and 9 into 9, 81. So definitely 8 by 9 is greater than 9 by 11. Now let's see the other numbers. It's 27 and it's 35. So 7 by 9 will be greater than 3 by 5. Now see the status of 2 by 3. It's 9 and it's 10. So 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. So I put it over here, 2 by 3. Now see whether it is less than 7 by 9 or not. So it's 18 and it's 21. So definitely it is less than 2 by 3. So the correct order is 3 by 5, 2 by 3, 7 by 9, 9 by 11 and 8 by 9. Further, if at all you wish to be sure about it, you can cross multiply. It's 81, it's 88. It is 77, it's 81. It's 18, it's 21. It's 9 and it's 10. So we were correct. Friends, I hope you might have enjoyed the session. You might have learned a lot about comparison of fractions and arrangement in descending and descending order. We'll be discussing more problems in our coming sessions from competitive examination point of view. We'll be having MCQ pattern of problems. So how could we eliminate the options and so we don't have to solve the complete problem. Okay friends, so do practice well with the methods and all the best.